This module allows to track and monitor stock, transaction, and reports by location. To create a new location, go to Stock and click on Stock Location Maintenance. Click on New and key in the relevant details. Here, I will key in location as PJ and type the description out. Once you're done, click OK to save the details. To transfer stock to a new location from another location, go to Stock and click Stock Transfer. Here, you will be able to transfer stock from one location to another. To do that, click New and key in the details. Then, select a From location and To location and Add items. Click Save to save the new stock transfer. By enabling this module, you can view various reports. For example, to view stock balance by location report, go to Stock and click Stock Balance by Location Report. Select the date and select the item. Here you may filter by range or filter by multi-select. Go click multi-select. Click on more options. You can select the location that you want to filter. Click OK and then click Inquiry. Here you will be able to view the stock balance by location. Other than that, you can also view various reports. For example, stock card report, whereby you can filter by location, stock movement report, filter by location, and several other reports.